So what is a system design interview? Well, a system design interview is a technical interview that lays a lot of emphasis on the aspect of system design, like how it is built, what's the architecture, what's the data model like. It's basically a design problem that the interviewer would give you. So something like design a system like WhatsApp. So it's a very broad question and you're expected to know a range of technologies. As such, these interviews are very hard and require a lot of practice and work on different technologies. Also, this interview is very different from a typical data structure or algorithm interview. The simple reason is in those interviews, you are generally given a problem and are expected to write a program for it on the whiteboard or maybe on a piece of paper. But in these interviews, you're given a problem and expected to give a solution end to end and build a system. So, which companies take these interviews? Well, almost all the top tech companies would take one or two rounds of these interviews. Let's see some of these companies now. So as you can see the logo of these companies, these are all the topmost companies in the field of software and they generally conduct one or two rounds of these interviews for their positions. Apart from these, you can expect these questions or these interviews to be conducted in companies like fintech and other startups. Nowadays, some consulting firms also take one or two rounds of these interviews, but it depends on the interviewer who's taking your interview.